Hello everyone, I'm Paul Schmutzler, and today I'm going to introduce you to the Grass Valley T2 and how it can easily integrate into your house of worship video workflow. This video is sponsored by videoguys.com. The T2 from Grass Valley is a complete self-contained AV playout appliance designed to be rack-mounted. On the front, you'll find a 7-inch LCD touchscreen, USB ports, 1/4-inch headphone jack, and hardware shuttle controls, just like a traditional VTR. Having a familiar interface like this helps if your church uses inexperienced volunteers. The rear of the unit houses a litany of ports and connections. Analog audio can be sent and received with XLR, while digital audio can be accessed with AES EBU. BNC SDI connections and DVI-I are available for video signals. There are 2 ports for Ethernet, allowing operators to transfer files to and from the T2 over the network or FTP. Sure, you could use a PC as a makeshift playout server, but the T2's value really shines in 2 key areas: versatility and security. How often does something like this happen at your church? Hey, are you the AV guy tonight? Yeah. Can you show my video in the service? Sure can. What you got? It's my YouTube video? Your YouTube video. Yeah, it's the video my cousin gave me when he made it for me. Okay, let's see what you have. I'm sorry, we're all Mac here. We can only use H.264 or QuickTime videos. Oh, okay. Well, I guess I'll just use my backup then. Thanks. With the T2's extensive file format support, that same interaction can look more like this. Hey, are you the AV guy tonight? Yeah. Can you show my video tonight for the service? Sure, yeah, I'll take care of it. The T2 supports a wide variety of modern and legacy codecs and file formats in standard and high def, eliminating a pain point like this. That's just one aspect of the T2's versatility. Now let's look at security. Have you ever come into the booth before a service and found files saved to the desktop or video games installed on the PC? The T2 features an embedded version of Windows that can't be automatically updated by Microsoft and won't allow users to install anything undesirable. Combining the versatility of a ton of I/O ports and file format support, along with the security of an embedded OS and user-friendly hardware controls, provides you with a recipe for success. The Grass Valley T2 was recently updated and reintroduced as the Series 2 models with better and faster storage options. The T2 recorders are available in 3 versions, but the only difference between them is the storage. T2 Express includes 2 500 gig hard drives in a RAID 0 configuration, perfect for most production environments with up to 14 hours of recording time. T2 Pro includes 4 500 gig hard drives in a RAID 10 configuration that has the same recording time but adds RAID redundancy to protect your data against hardware failure. T2 Elite includes 2 1TB SSD drives in RAID 0, recommended for any application that would benefit from SSD drives and requires twice the storage with up to 28 hours of recording. The T2s from Grass Valley are all available from videoguys.com starting at just under $13,000.